So I went to Disneyland yesterday. I'm so happy I went. I almost bailed out of going, but I needed a break, and I have a very expensive annual pass that I have not used this year. We went in February and it rained the entire time, so we basically didn't even leave the hotel because it was raining so bad. So I just needed some fun and some me time, and Halloween is my favorite time of year to go. So I had to go because they started their Halloween season. And I stopped at the Hobby Lobby on the way up there because I needed one thing. I wanted some silver letters, and I ended up buying a bunch more stuff. So when I was out there, I remembered I needed foam for when I make my shakers, and this is the one that I get. It's $1.99. It's the 5mm foam. It's over like kind of like the kids crafty stuff, you know, there's like felt over there and stuff. So I got that one because I needed that. And then, oh, I forgot I had bought these. I got some Christmas. I thought this would be really cute to have my mom put together. So it was $1.50. I thought the little reindeer was super, super cute. I think I got another one too. Maybe that was it. I don't know. They had gray, little light gray feathers for 50 cents. I got some orange ones before, and I like using feathers at Halloween time. So I thought that would be a good find to have. I found this little brush set. Like, look at all these brushes over here and all the foam brushes. That was $1.12. This was like near each other. And there was this pack also all in the same area, 62 cents. No, these were over by the tie-dye. This was over by the tie-dye. So I don't know if this was meant to be over there. These were near each other. This was by the tie-dye stuff. There was tie-dye on clearance also, but I didn't grab any of that. Oh, see, here's the Santa, and you got one more. $1.50 for that guy. Because Christmas is 50% off right now. They had the bigger hats that were come out to $1. And I think I got some smaller ones too. So I got two of the bigger ones. Let me see. Okay, I got a couple bags. I'm going to look for the rest of the stuff. I got these. So this store was not completely unpacked. Like, my store's not completely unpacked either. But I had not seen these at my store. So these come out to, what is that, $1.25. I thought that was really cute. I think they're really, really adorable. I know I've seen other people hauling stuff that I haven't even seen at my store. They were getting like gingerbread, little wood pieces, and gingerbread beads. I still have not seen those in person yet, so I'm going to keep on the hunt for that. So this one, I need to thank my subby, Jackie. She told me to go out and get these. She sent me a photo. They're $1.20 or $1.12. She said that these are not like glue. She's been using them on her card as Wink of Stella. And I was like, what? For $1.12, like a Wink of Stella dupe? So I'm going to need to do what she did. She was really good with her photo that she sent me. She did it on white paper and black paper to show like what it looked like. And she said that it dries down perfectly. So I'm going to do like a little swatchity swatch. So stay tuned for that video. So we'll be back with that. But if you see those, you might want to grab them just in case it does work out. I'm pretty sure it's going to work out the way she said it does. So I'm really excited to see it for myself. What is this? A spring shop is 90% off right now. So this came out to $1.89. And it is just this little like tower. Okay, there. Hopefully you guys can see better. So it's just this little like tower kit puree thing. I don't know. I just thought it was cute. Even if I put like little beads in it, I thought it was really cute. So this is what it looks like. I just thought it was cute and I wanted it. So that was 90% off. I did get some stickers. These are puffy stickers. So, what is that? $2.50 minus half off. There was some little Cocos, $2.50, and then take the 50% off. I get these every year. I like using these. I just think it's fun to like do, like if you're doing a December daily, these are really great for that. So that's $2.50, but you need to take the 50% off. This was $1.99, and it's a little heat transfer of Minnie Mouse and rhinestones. Okay, this is all I supposedly went for. Was right here. This is all that I technically needed. They're $1.50, and then they were 40% off, so I don't even know what that comes out to. But I am going to be hosting a Halloween swap where you need to get a pill box from Dollar Tree and you need to fill it up. So we're going to use this as a little embellishment box. And I wanted silver letters because I want to put like spooky or haunted or like figure out lettering to like put on the top so I could decorate the top of my lids. So that's why I wanted silver lettering, because I thought the silver would go really nice with this. So I found these with the little rhinestones. I know it's going to add a little bit of dimension, but I think it'll still be okay and be able to like slide into the sleeve. I do have an unofficial video posted. I've been waiting for my Temu order, but it has not come in. It's been stuck in customs for I don't know how many days. I should today be getting a $5 credit because it's past the date of it coming in. So I'm just kind of giving up. I think I'm just going to finish off my box and just post the official video without everything that I wanted. And it is what it is. You know, I can't keep waiting. So yeah, long story of why I got these. This was also $90. I thought it was super cute. Oh, I think I have it backwards. There we go. I thought it was super cute. It's welcome with the little bumblebee. This came out to only 79 cents, you guys. How stinking cute is that for 79 cents? That was a really, really good find. There was another lady that was there and she was like, well, how much is this stuff? And I was just like, if you take off the last digit, that's how much it's going to be. Because, yeah, I think people weren't realizing how cheap it is. It's super, super cheap. Oh, look, here are those little mini ones that I told you that I had bought also. So, these were $1. So, they do have the 2 different sizes of Santa hats. So, kind of just depending on which ones you'd like. So, there's the 2 different sizes. Look at these. I don't remember ever seeing these before, so I think these are new. You get 20 pieces, and it's $3.99, but like I said, Christmas is half off. This one I'm pretty sure I got last year, and same thing, $3.99, and then 50%. These I kind of always have in my stash because I use them a lot during Christmas crafting. $1.99, 8 pieces. These are like a thicker kind of felt. Those are really good to use as like little layering pieces. I finally got to see this in person. I've seen other people haul it. I still have not seen it at my store. Super happy I found it out there. It is $5.50, but take the 50% off. And it is little gnomes in here. I love me some gnomey homies. So super stoked that I finally got to see this one in person. And then this is everything that comes with right there. Little 6x6, 48 pages. Super cute. Super happy I found that. I also got a pack of the gold little reindeer right here. So those came out to $1. They were these. These I think are new. I don't remember seeing these before. I want to paint them and then write out the little numbers. So $3.50 minus the 50%, whatever that comes out to. And then they have like little rings. So I thought that was really cute. Here is a little Santa. Really, really cute with the little ho-ho and Santas. And I think I have one more thing. Okay, so one more thing, but I want one more bag. So, Sunny Boy always loves this Elvis gnome. He thinks it's absolutely hilarious. So, I got this dude. He was 90% off. They guessed at the price because it didn't have a sticker on it and they couldn't find it in the system anymore. I think they charged me like $3. That seems to be like the general thing when something's 90% off and they don't know how much it is. I just always get charged $3. So, this stuff was from my local store before I had left. And I found this 90% off. So it's just a little like lemon type. You can put some bees on there. I found a piggy. Look at it, guys. So stinking cute. That was only 59 cents. These. I cut these apart and I use them as beads. And it comes out so, so cute. So these were $5. But, you know, do the discount. This queen bee came out to 44 cents. I got a little rock, a little bee rock. That came out to 49 cents. They had gold jingle bells, which I thought was interesting. Those were 37 cents. I had to get these for Sunny. Look at, there's french fries and pizza and a burger, taco, hot dog, chips. I just thought that was really cute. So those came out to $3 after the sale. Oh, I thought this was really cute. I'm going to save it for Valentine's Day. I'm going to stick it in my Valentine's Day box because there's some like little flowers and stars and hearts. That was 99 cents. So save that for some sequins mix for next year. This one is adorable. I'm not like a pastel-y kind of person, but I just thought it was really, really cute. Maybe because it's new and I was blinded by the new cuteness. But $7, and then if you get it on sale, it's 40% off. But it is just really cute. You get stickers, alphabet stickers, this sticker sheet here. And then here are your pastel Christmas candy papers. I just thought it was really, really adorable. I think it comes out to like $4 and change. I just thought it was really cute. So I got that one. And my last two items, this was, what is that, 54 cents for a little bee. And then another little rock that says trust. That one came out to 39 cents. So that's my little haul of what I got before I left and then what I got yesterday. I'm also going to be leaving this coming week to Vegas for a couple of days. And I'm going to be stopping off at 2 on the way to Vegas. So I'm really excited to see what I can find. Maybe I could get some more 90% off. That would be really great. I'm hoping that one of these stores is done unpacking their Christmas, because so far none of the stores I've gone to are done unpacking. And I see so many people getting so many other new items that I really, really want to see in person to see if it's something that I would actually want. So I'm really excited to see what I can find. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.